Over. He jumped over the gate. He jumped over the gate. The meeting is over. The meeting is over. What is over there? What is over there? Though. Even though he is very old, he is healthy. Even though he is very old, he is healthy. Within. I will be back within an hour. I will be back within an hour. There. He lives there alone. He lives there alone. Where? Where's my food? Where's my food? Then. What did you do then? What did you do then? When? When do we go? When do we go? That. Is that true? Is that true? I admit that he is right. I admit that he is right. Usually. I don't usually cry. I don't usually cry. Strongly. I strongly advise you not to do this. I strongly advise you not to do this. Upon. Everything depends upon your decision. Everything depends upon your decision. Since. It's been raining since morning. It's been raining since morning. Up. The sun is up. The sun is up. To. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Until. I'll stay here until 10. I will stay here until 10. Round. The earth is round. The earth is round. Under. I hid under the table. I hid under the table. Really. I really like you. I really like you. Today. It's hot today. It's hot today. Rarely. She is old and rarely goes out. She is old and rarely goes out. Into. All rivers run into the sea. All rivers run into the sea. Or. Is that a cat or a dog? Is that a cat or a dog? In. May I come in? May I come in? On. Get on the horse. Get on the horse. Turn on the radio. Turn on the radio. If. I will come if necessary. I will come if necessary. Often. We go there often. We go there often. Here. Are you new here? Are you new here? Of. I am proud of my son. I am proud of my son. Hardly. I can hardly swim. I can hardly swim. Now. It's now my turn. It's now my turn. From. I come from Brazil. I come from Brazil. Early. Why did you come early? Why did you come early? Near. Is it near your house? Is it near your house? Down. May I put it down here? May I put it down here? Likely. The train is likely to be late. The train is likely to be late. Do. Do what you like. Do what you like. Like. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Deeply. I deeply in love with Rose. I deeply in love with Rose. Late. We arrived home late. We arrived home late. Daily. Take the tablets twice daily. Take the tablets twice daily. It. Turn it off. Turn it off. Clearly. Speak more clearly. We can't hear you. Speak more clearly. We can't hear you. Ever. Have you ever been to Mexico? Have you ever been to Mexico? Is. It is raining. It is raining. By. He came by car. He came by car. Anyone. Don't tell anyone this. Don't tell anyone this. Both. They are both in the room. They are both in the room. Among. He divided the cake among his sons. He divided the cake among his sons. Between. I sat between Tom and John. I sat between Tom and John. Always. Let's always be friends. Let's always be friends. Below. Do not write below this line. Do not write below this line. Also. I also like cake. I also like cake. Behind. Look behind you. Look behind you. Along. Come along with me. Come along with me. Before. Come home before 6. Come home before 6. Almost. Dinner is almost ready. Dinner is almost ready. Away. How far away is the station? How far away is the station? After. Repeat these words after me. Repeat these words after me. At. Look at me. Look at me. I get up at 7. I get up at 7. Above. There's a mirror above the sink. There's a mirror above the sink. As. Do as he tells you. Do as he tells you. I am as tall as Tom. I am as tall as Tom. তবে তুলনা করতে দুবার আজকে ব্যবহার করা হয়। About. I want to think about it. I want to think about it. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.